This is our 9-trunk reclinata palm. This is a palm that belongs to the Phoenix family of palm trees. Phoenix reclinata, Phoenix canariensis, Phoenix sylvestris, Phoenix roebelini, Phoenix rupicola, and there's a couple others. But we're gonna set this down and then stand it up. And after we get it stood up, we're going to pick it up again so that it's standing up straight. And then we will take it over to a hole and set it in the hole. We just want to show you how to stand this tree up. Now that it's touching the ground, he's just going to back up and pull the tree upright. You see how it's beginning to stand up right now. Almost. There we go. There we go. Straight up. That's how you do it. Let me just show you how this tree looks. I'll walk around it, give you a view of it. It's a beautiful, beautiful little tree. We call this a little tree because reclinatas can be 10 times the size of this. So there you go. We're the tree planters at treeplanters.com. Have a great day.